Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel, and welcome to the Boldr Venture. This is the titanium model, the carbon black. Absolutely cool watch, super light on the wrist, and a tough little guy for sure with that titanium case. Hey, this is on pre-order, I believe. I'm not sure if this video is going to make it out by that time, by the ending of the pre-order. Be sure to go to their website, check it out. I think they're like mid $200, so that's a killer deal on this titanium watch. I'll leave links below to their website and other channels that this watch is going to go on tour, so please be sure to check those guys out also. Like I said, super tough watch and really nice to wear on the wrist. You don't even know it's there. I also want to thank Boldr for sending this out to me to share with you guys. It's just such a cool little piece. It is a fully titanium case with a screw down case back, titanium case back, and limited edition artwork. Boldr always adds to their pieces, so I think that's a cool touch. You have some limited edition artwork on your own timepiece, and I love that Boldr does it. They're just kind of known for that, and I just really like that touch they add to their watches. On all their models, I believe they do that. So that's really cool. Hey, it does have a sapphire crystal, and if I can pull this up a little bit closer for you, that sapphire crystal is covering that really nice flat matte black dial. Custom hands there with that orange tip second handing running out to the chapter ring. You got the Arabic numerals around the outside there with the 24-hour dial on the inside. Very nice, with the Boldr logo right below the 12 o'clock position. Venture automatic, 200-meter water resistant, right above the 6 o'clock position. So Boldr has you covered there. What a cool field watch. You get wet, you're covered 200 meters, and that is plenty for sure. Screw down crown, very nice screw down crown. Some knurling on it for gripping with the Boldr embossed logo at the end of it. This also does have some really good lume. I'm not 100% sure what it is. I'm going to throw a lume shot up for you. I'm assuming it's Superluminova, very well coated with lume, and they have done a great job there. So the lume is really bright and brilliant. This also is running an NH35 automatic movement. So hey, it's hand winding and hackable. You gotta love that. Great tough little movement for a tough little watch, that's for sure. Does also come with a NATO strap. It also came to me with this little watch pouch. I'm not sure if it's shipped that way or not, but nice little pouch for sure. This NATO strap, very tough construction. It is a tough strap. You can tell it when you put it on, with some titanium hardware, Boldr logo at the end there. Yeah, right on the buckle. Very nicely done. Just a cool little package for sure. Hey, let's get into some specs with this guy. It does have a 38mm case, 14mm thickness, 42mm lug to lug, and a 20mm bandwidth. Hey, let's get this guy on my 7-inch wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it. The titanium carbon black on my 7-inch wrist. Just a really nice size watch. Very crisp, clean, simple design. Yeah, I really like this a lot. And with that titanium toughness, yeah, you can go anywhere, do anything with this watch for sure. There are some other models with it in the Venture. There's the jungle green, the blue navy, and I think there's a white sandstorm. So please be sure to check them out. Hey, if you like this vid, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day, and stay well.